Hello friends, welcome back to the SAP SD training session in S4 HANA. So today will be the third day of the training. In the last class, last two sessions, we have discussed about the basics of SAP SD, and we have discussed about the basic SAP SD business process like order to cash process, and we have discussed about the SAP org structure as well. So today we will be doing the SAP SD org structure in SAP S/4HANA platform. So we will just creating the enterprise structure. So this already I have discussed with you in the previous videos. So like we'll be creating the company code, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, and we had already discussed what exactly the individual elements are. Okay, so we'll be creating sales organization. See, as a SAP SD point of view, in the real time, you will be creating the sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales area, sales office, and sales group. But during the training session for the practice, so I'm going to show you how you can see this company and company code. Obviously, it will be created and it will be maintained by the FICO consultants. So, but as part of the training, so as for the practice session, so I'm going to show you how you can copy the company code, the standard company code, and you can create your own company code with as per your requirement. So here, first we'll create the company. Company is a group or a client, we can say. Okay. So under that, we can have multiple company codes. Company code may be with different business with different locations. We can get. See here, I have taken HP Group. So as this is an electronics manufacturing company, I have taken the company code, one company code. So sales organization, see, so based on the business requirement, they have maintained two sales organization in India and USA. Then distribution channels, retail, that has been categorized into wholesaler and retailer. And division, one is mobile division, another one is laptop division. For retailer, we have created services. Okay. So now we will see the end-to-end configuration of enterprise structure. So let's dive into the another sheet where I have mentioned the paths as well as the T codes where you can create your enterprise structure. Okay, so here, so before creating the enterprise structure, I just wanted to clear that. So we have to define the enterprise structure, then we will have to assign the enterprise structure with respect to the organization. So here, I will be showing you what are the elements we have to create as a SD consultant, and some of the elements are there which will be creating in the real time by consultant, and some of the elements are there which will be creating by FICO consultants. So FICO consultants will create company and company code, and the plant storage location will be creating by the consultant. Okay, and one more is there, that is the purchase organization that I am going to discuss with you later part. Okay, so or else we can use the standard, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now we will dive into the configuration part of enterprise structure. See, first, as I told you, we will have to define the company. It is a group. So here I will take an example of I will take any one reference company, that is MACD. Okay, MACD. I will take MACD. McDonald's. You know McDonald's, right? MACD. Okay, this is my company, MACDG. That means MACD Group. Okay, next I will take company code as MACD India. Okay, so I will create MACD India. So then plant I will take MC P1, plant 1, and I will take MCP2. Okay, so first we'll create this. So for that I will just log into the SAP server. So here we have the SAP. So I'll just give overview of this SAP. So here, once you log into the server, see, suppose if anybody want to get the server access, so please feel free to contact me. I have mentioned my contact details in the description. So if anybody want the server access of ECC as well as S4HANA, so kindly you can contact with me. Okay. So next, see here, once you log into the server, uh, this is the screen which you will get it. So here you have SAP menu, SAP favorites. So these are the quick access toolbars. These are the toolbars. These are the menu bars. So here we have the command bar. Okay, so where you can maintain this, where you can use this for the transactions. Okay, where you can use T codes. Okay, T codes are nothing but transaction codes. So all the business processes are executed using the transaction codes. Okay, so next here you can see here, this is the status bar. So here you can see now you have a drop down menu. Here you will get all the details related to the server. So see, I will recommend you to keep this in the transaction mode. So why means whenever you are doing any process, so here whatever the T code you have entered, na, it will replicate here. So under which T code you are working on, you can easily check here. So this is the user, client, system, program. So all these has been created. Now, I'll just give some overview with the T codes. So let's say we have one T code called um, AS01. Okay, so we have AS01, that is to create asset. Then we have, if you go back, so we have VA01, VA01. Okay, this is to create sales order. So basically, whenever you are in the easy access screen will be used by uh, consultants as well as end users. Okay, so with the easy access screen, you can only use the transaction codes which is used to do the business processes. Okay, so during the training session, I will be telling you what are the T codes you will be using as an end user and what are the T codes you can use as a consultant. So SAP end user will not be having an access to configure or to customize anything in the SAP platform. So before that, I'll just show you. So let's say we have one T code called VA01. Okay, so I'm directly entering VA01 is see about the T codes. I will discuss with you in details. So what is VA01? Different T codes. So I'm just showing you the interface here, how you can work on this. So here VA, if you directly enter VA01, it will dive into the create sales document screen. Let's say we have one more T code to create billing document. VF01. If you directly enter VF01 on the create sales document page, it won't execute. See, it won't execute. So until unless if you won't back to the easy access screen, it won't execute. See, now VF01 will execute. So now I am in create billing document screen. If you try to create another, if you try to give one more T code, that is to create sales order, it won't execute. See, directly you can execute the T codes with the T codes only when you are into the SAP easy access screen. Okay, this is the main thing. So let's suppose I just wanted to enter into the different T codes with the different page. So let's say we are into the create sales document screen. So suppose if you want to close this create sales document sheet, and if you want to enter into new T code, new transaction, so you need to use /n. Okay, with this I will enter VF01. See here, the sheet has been closed, the page of the sales order has been closed, and billing sheet transaction has opened. So now you can check here, you are into this VF01 T code. Okay, so existing screen will close and new screen will open. Okay, then so let's say I just don't want to close the existing screen. I want to open the news in the new screen. In that case, you have to use forward slash O followed by forward slash O. We have to use, I will use now VA01. See, VA01. See here what happens. See, you got the, see, you have the billing document transaction and you have sales document. Okay. So next, see, we have, see, instead of going with the forward slash n, sorry, forward slash o, you can open new screen here itself. So basically, we use slash o and slash n to enter into any business transaction. See, if you click on this, it will open new screen on easy access screen. Okay, in the easy access screen you can directly enter any T code, so it will execute. Okay, but if you are not in easy access screen, you need to use slash n or slash o. This is the main thing you have to understand. See, here we have back button, here we have exit button, and here we have close button. These slowly we will perform all these functions. Okay, as of now this is more than enough to understand. Okay, if you want to see, let's say see here, you are into this screen, so you can go back with this, or else you can exit from this, or else you can type escape button. You just press escape button, it will go back. Okay, fine. So now we will see, so as I have planned to cover the SAP SD org structure. So first we will create a company. So here I have mentioned the path, so IMG. So this is SIMG. Okay, we need to go to SIMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. Okay, so this is the part of FICO consultants. So even though I am creating it for the training purpose, so just go to SIMG, enter the T code SIMG. SIMG means this is implementation guide, SAP implementation guide. Just press enter, it will dive into implementation guide. See here, you can customize any of the module in the SAP. So here, let's say we have creating enterprise structure. Okay, so open the, see, you have one icon here, arrow. So this, once you click here, it will open. Okay, it will collapse. Okay, so here you have the documentation. In all the transaction you will find these documents. See here, so you can refer this. Okay, just press escape button, it will exit. So here you have, you can click this. Once you click this, it will close, or else you can use right arrow. See, you can use navigation key in the keyboard. See, so I'm just entering a right arrow. See, it has opened. Left arrow, it will close. Come down. So definition. So as I was telling you, you need to. So we will have to define the company. Just go to definition. Here we have financial accounting and define company. So as you can see here, SIMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. See here, we need to click on this clock icon, that is to execute. So this is for the documentation, as I told you. Just click on this, and here we have to create new entry. So click on new entry, and here I will take as MACD group. So here I will take McDonald's group, and here I will give the address street. I will give as MG Road. So I will give any number here, and I will give any postal code. City I will give Bangalore. Then country I will give India. See, before giving it, see, you will find this icon. So SAP has all the countries here, so you just find it and you will get it, or else you just type it. So let's say if you want to give US, just type US, it will, see, it will give you the drop down menu. So as of now I'm creating in India. So language is EN, so you will get all the languages here, as you can see here, Italian, Arabic, any of the language. So just type E, so you will get here, so EN. And currency, see, you will get all the currencies. Just I will type I N, see you are getting INR. Enter. Press enter. See, one thing, so anything, if you are going to customize in SAP, so for the customization, SAP will maintain a customizing request number. So here I am configuring, I am customizing my company. So once you save it, see here, it is giving customizing request, or we can say transfer request. So see, SAP will provide you the transfer request. So it helps us to transfer the data from one server to another server. Okay. So we will have to release this if you want to transfer the data from development server to quality, quality to production server. So SAP will provide you for each customization the transfer request number. So this transfer request number has to release. This is called client landscape. Okay. So this is used to transfer the data, customize the data from one client to another client. So here I am, see, by default you will get the previous TR details. If you want to create your own, just click on create request. So here I will give MACD MACD company. Enter. See, new number has created. So later I will show you how to release these requests. Okay. So just execute it. Enter. So in real time, for each customization, for each configuration, we have to maintain the customizing request, or we can say transfer request. Okay. So this is very important. So go back. See here, you can see we are getting. So let's say if you want to find my company code, just click on position and you can give MACD, MACD. See, MACD group. So now I have created the company MACDG. Next I will create company code. See, same path as you can see here. We have the same path. See, but it has the T code as well. It has the T code as well. But for the creation of enterprise structure, I will follow the path. If you want to use the T codes, you can use the T codes. Okay. So now I will go with the same path. So this is SIMG. This is SIMG. Okay, same path. See, financial accounting. Here we went to define company code. Now edit, copy, delete company code. See, edit, copy, delete company code. So here we have to copy the standard company code as 1710. So as this is the part of FICO consultant, so as we are working under SD, so as this is the training session, we will have to maintain our own company code. For that reason, I am creating it. So just double click on copy, delete, check company code. Go to copy here. Then here we need to give from company code. Let's say I want to copy from 1710 and I am creating MACD company. Okay, press enter. See, it means so from this 1710 all the data will be copied to my own company code. Press enter. See here it is showing, do you want to copy the GL account of the company code? Yes, I want to copy. So in real time, all these configuration, GL account configuration, controlling configuration will be done by FICO consultants. So now you don't worry about this. Just press yes. So do you want to copy the assignment to the controlling area? Yes, I want to copy the standard one. So here, do you want to allocate different local currency to target? See, basically, this 1710 standard company code will be in USD. But as per my requirement, I am creating it um, for Indian currency. Okay. So just I want to change. Yes, I want to change. Just type here INR. Okay. Just press enter. So here you are getting certain data was not copied. Don't worry about this. You will get it. Press enter. Just go on pressing the enter. Just have patience while creating the company code. You need to give yes here. So kindly follow the each step. while creating the company code, if you miss anything, so it is difficult to tackle the errors because as this is related to FICO. So just press enter. Again press enter. It should be yes. Okay, make sure that it should be yes. Yes, 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 yes. Just give S again, S again. So as I told you, you need to have patience to create the copy the company code. So again, you are getting if do you want to copy? No, already I have copied. I don't want to. Click on copy. Don't worry about what are all the messages you are getting. Just give follow the procedure whatever I am doing it. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. 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 So in the org structure, this is the part where it will take more time. So have patience. So wait, it is copying. So once it is copied, so later part will be easy. Just we have to define it. No need to copy the datas and all. Only the company code will take more time to copy because if you're copying a company code, there are thousands of data it has to copy like GL accounts, cost elements. Then we have different cost centers. Some data will be there, standard data like chart of account groups. Okay, all these has to copy. So we'll wait. So in this training session, I will be showing you most of the errors. So basically, most of the trainees will be facing the issue how you can solve the errors. So basically in SAP, what happens? So you can execute anything, but when error comes, na, it is difficult to tackle that error and it is difficult to solve that error. Okay. So if you won't solve, you can go, you cannot go further processes. Okay. Just give S here again. Again S, enter, press enter, press enter, 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 enter. Yeah, see now without one number range, it doesn't matter. Press enter. See now you can check 1710 copied to MACD. So as I told you, the 1710 company code is by default standard with USD and US country. So again go back to edit company code data position means search MACD MACD. See here, MACD. Double click on the see. It has copied the description as well, company name. So here we'll take. See, company code is restricted to only 4 character. So you just keep in mind. So here I will give MACD uh, company code. See, city also it has copied with the same. I will take Bangalore. And here I will take India. So currency already I have changed, that's why it has already taken. Save it. And one more thing I just wanted to show you. So once you copy the company code, so it is very important to check the GL accounts as well. Okay, go back. So I will show you how to check the GL account under what currency it has come. So because the company code currency and GL account currency should be same. So what I will do, we have one T code. I will use /O because I don't want to close this existing screen. FS00 to check the GL accounts. So here by default different company code is there. I will change the company code here and I will use MACD. See, and then see, double click on any of the GL account. See, if you go to control data, see here you will find INR. Okay, make sure that this should be INR. Okay, so that's it. You need to verify this. Then I will go back to the screen. See, MACD. Go back. See, I have created company and company code as you can see here. See, MACD. MACD. MACD I have created. Okay, so I will delete this. Now the next thing is, see, this is plant and storage location in real time will be created by consultant. So I will create two plants. So two plants or else you can use one plant itself. Okay, MCP1. Okay, MCP1. So go back. So close this financial accounting. See, as I told you, the company and company code will be maintained by FICO. That's why it is financial accounting. Next, go to logistic general. See, I have mentioned the path, SIMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, and define plant. See, SIMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, and define plant. So here, just click on new entry. So I will use MC, or else I will take. So what is my company code? MACD, right? I will take Mac plant 1, MCP1, MCP1, and here I'll take MACD, MACD plant 1. Okay, so don't give anything here apart from factory calendar. See, factory calendar, this data will be given to you by FICO consultants. So I'll use standard IN. See, we have multiple factory calendars. See, factory calendar is nothing but it is depends on the calendar of the event of the country, or it depends on the organization. So total working days, okay, when will be the national holidays, everything will be defined in the factory calendar. So as I am using for India, so here we have India. Okay, press enter. Then once you enter the data, click on the address. See, we need to maintain the address. So here title I will take it as company, and here I will give MACD plant 1. So see, this is the required field. So in real time you need to maintain all. This will be provided to you in the blueprint. So I will use country India, enter. Okay, and save. So once you save, see again it will, okay, so give enter. See, here it is asking for customizing request. So I'll maintain the same customizing request. Save. See, now I have created plant. See, MCP1. I will create only one plant. See, go back, so you can check here. Now we have to define, we need to maintain the plant, we need to maintain the storage location under plant. See, for that we have different path: enterprise structure, definition, material management, maintain storage location. See, enterprise structure, material management, then maintain storage location, enter. Here MCP1 is the plant. Then click on new entry. I'll create one storage location under this. So like I will take MCS1. So MACD storage location 1. So in real time this will be maintained by consultant. Don't worry about this. Next part is of SAP SD consultant. See, now we will define the sales organization. Okay, so for that, enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution, define, copy, delete, check sales organization, and define sales organization. See, now, see here we have the sales organization. Define, delete, check, define, copy, delete, check sales organization. See here, define sales organization, and here I will create new. Click on new entry, or else what you can do is you can copy the standard one, 1710. You can create it. See, all the data by default you will get it. Okay, if you want you can use it, or else we will create new. Go to new entry. I will use MCSO, that means MACD sales organization. I will use MACD SALE sales org, and currency I am using INR. Okay, okay, so don't maintain the currency, enter. Okay, no problem, you can maintain the currency, enter, and save. And here we have to maintain the address. So here I will give MACD sales organization and country is I'm maintaining one sales organization. Enter. See, I have created it. Save. It's already saved, right? Yeah. So I have created the sales organization. Next is distribution channel. So we have the T codes. Okay, if you want to use, you can use the T codes. It's better to go with the path. So I'll go to sales organization. So go back. Can go back. So here define distribution channel. Define distribution channel. Click on new entry. So I will create distribution channel as see, as you can see here, we can maintain. So I will maintain two distribution channel. Okay. So D1 uh, and M1 and M2, two distribution channel. Let's take. So M1. Oh, somebody has maintained M1. I will use D1. Oh, it is also has taken. I will take MC. So it is restricted to only two character. C. Oh, C also has taken. I will take MC. MACD distribution channel. Okay, just save it. You can use Control S to save. I will create only one distribution channel. Go back. Go back. So, what is the distribution channel? See, storage location as MCS1 and the sales organization is MCSO, and here is MC is the distribution channel. Okay, now here we have created this. So next is we need to create the sales office. Okay, so sales office. So here only we will get the sales office. So sorry, click on new entry. I will take MCSF, that is sales office. MACD sales office. Enter. So here it is asking for the address. I'll maintain the sales office. Sales office. Country I will take India. Save. Okay. Now. So now I have defined MCSF. MCSF. Next is sales group. So here only you will get it, sales group. So all these elements I have explained you in the previous video. So if you want, you can check it. So sales group I will give MSG, and here MACD sales group. I will copy this, press enter. Oh, MSG is already exist. I will take MCG. Okay, MCG. Save. Okay. Now go back and we'll check. This is MCG. MCG. Now division. So for division, we need to go to enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, define, copy, delete, check, division. Okay. See, close this. Logistic general, logistic general. Here we have define, copy, delete, check, division. So double click on this. I will create one division. Uh, MD. I think it is. Yeah, no, it's available. Division. Save. See, each time it is creating the customizing request. So go back. So now we have created division, MD. So next last point is shipping point. So shipping point is the point from where the product has to ship. Okay. So for that, so enterprise structure division, logistic execution, and define shipping point. We need to copy the standard. So close this. Here we have logistic execution. Here we will be getting define shipping point. Enter. So as I told you, we have to copy the standard. Select the line item and click on copy. So here we will have to define our shipping point. Mm, so what we will do, uh, so here by default it is taking US. What I will do, so I'll just go back. I'll create new entry. So Mac shipping point, MACD shipping point. Okay, enter. So why it is not taking country? Okay, factory calendar will take IN. Okay, so this we will discuss. No loading time, shipping point, and all. Okay, or else see it has to show the country as well. Give me a minute. So what I will do? Okay, so here we have to define. Sorry. So just to give MACD shipping point. So here we have to define the country IN. Okay. See now you can double click on this and you can check. So this we'll discuss. Save this. Okay. So now we have created the shipping point. So you can go back. So now I will maintain the shipping point here. MCESP. Now, so that's all about the definition of enterprise structure or org structure. Now, see, we have to assign with each other. So we need to assign the elements. Okay. So how to assign the same path, but instead of definition, we need to go to assignment. See here. So close this definition part. So here we will find the assignment, same under the enterprise structure. So financial accounting, same path. See, I have mentioned here the same thing, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. So position here, what is my company code? M MACD. So here we have to assign our MACD group. Okay. So these are all very important. If you miss a single part, so it will create a lot of issues. So next part is we need to assign. So next we need to assign plan to company code. Okay, just go back. So close this financial accounting part. So go to logistic general. Here assign plan to company code. Enter. Now, so if you see you are getting new entry, that means you need to create new. So click on new entry. Company code is MACD and plant is MCP1. MCP1. Enter. See, save. See, even for the assignment also, it is creating the customizing request. So go back, go back. So here, now, next step is we need to assign sales org to company code. See, enterprise structure, assignment, sales and distribution. If you go to sales and distribution, you will find all. See, assign sales organization to company code. Click on this. So here you are not getting new entry, just position your sales organization MCSO. Assign your company code MACD. Save. Then go back. So I'm assigning distribution channel to our sales organization. Execute it. Click on new entry. So this is MCSO and M Yeah, this is MC. Enter and save. Now go back. The next step is, see everything I have mentioned here. As per that, you can follow. So here, assign division to sales organization. Click on this. So here you are getting new entry. What is sales organization? MCSO, and division is MD. Okay, save. Now go back, go back. See, set up sales area. Here it is not showing the assign sales area. So sales area, as I told you in the previous video, sales area is the group of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, so click on this. So we have to assign all. See, new entry. What is our sales organization? MCSO, MC. Then here division is MD. See, save. Now go back. So next step is we need to assign sales office to sales area. Click on this. So click on new entry. Sales office means it is a combination of all. So here we'll take MCSO, MC, division is MD, and MCSF. See, all has taken. So be careful while assigning the elements with each other. So assign sales group to sales office. Click on this. So click on new entry. MCSF, then MCG sales group. See, save. So at last we need to assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. See, as you can see in the Excel sheet, so we did as till this. Next, assign sales organization, distribution channel to plant. So next we'll have to assign sales group to say we did this. See, next sales organization, distribution channel to plant. So click on new entry. MCSO, MC, then MCP1. Enter. See, all has been assigned. Now the last part is, so last part is we need to assign shipping point to the plant. So why we need to assign shipping point to the plant? So plant, what is the plant? Plant where we used to manufacture the product, where we maintain the product. So there we are going to maintain the storage locations, warehouse, and all. So from there, obviously it has to ship. So that's why we need to assign the shipping point. So go back. So we need to go to logistic execution. Sorry, logistic execution. Then go to assign shipping point to plant. Enter. So here we'll get so many shipping points. So what we have to do, we need to find our shipping point. For to find our shipping point, we need to find here. So MCSP is our shipping point. Wait, sometimes, yeah, just cancel this, press enter. Sometimes it will not search. It is creating problem. So manually you can find it here. See, if you come down, so just drag this A, B, C, D, E, F, go to M, C, sorry, this is, you will find, yeah, MCP1. Select this, click on assign, and here you can find your shipping point. That is in MCSP. Yeah, here we have. Select this, and give OK. See now, see plant is assigned to our shipping point. Save it. Press enter. So that's all. So we have created our enterprise structure and we have assigned it. So next, if you want to check, if you want to verify your enterprise structure has been created properly or not, you can execute this EC01T code. I will show you here. So go to /n EC01. I am using /n. Enter. So go to structure, then go to navigation. So give OK. Don't cancel it, just give OK. Press Ctrl F or else you can use this find icon. So my company code is MACD. See, you will get MACD. See, again double click on this MACD. So you will get entire enterprise structure. See, I have created a company MACDG, and if you click on this icon, you will find it has been assigned to the company code. Close. See, controlling area, credit control area, by default, we have copied, na? That's why it is coming. Don't worry about that. See, if you go to plant, so plant we have assigned, we have created the storage location, MCS1. Then we have assigned to our company code, we have assigned to distribution channel, we have assigned to shipping point, right? So close this. See, further you can check distribution channel is assigned to sales area, then sales area is assigned to sales office. All you just verified. See sales, if you go to sales organization is assigned to distribution channel, sales organization assigned to division, company code as well. So as this is how you can verify it. Okay, so that you can check whether the enterprise structure has created as per the requirement or not. So now I'm going to show you how you can release the transfer request or customizing request number. So for that you need to go to SE01T code. So as I told you, if you want to transfer the data from one client to another client, so if you click on modifiable, so once you go to this SE01T code, so you will get your user and click on customizing request modifiable. So just display. So we have created only one TR number, right? So why at the beginning I have used only this. If you want to release this, see this is the TR number. So you need to release this customizing task, then you need to release this TR number 17 and 18. Click on this release button. See now it will release. See here task release it to release 17. So click on this and click on release. Now this transfer, whatever the customization I have done, that will be under this TR number. Okay, this you have to maintain individually. Whenever you will get the customizing request number, you need to maintain it. Okay, in real time. As of now, for the training, I have maintained only one. See, now it is showing it is released. If you go back and if you click on this released, untick this modifiable, you can check. See, MACD is released. Okay, so that's all about the today's session. So we have discussed how we have created the customizing, created the enterprise structure as per the requirement. Okay, so in the next class we will be discussing about the BP customer configuration, end-to-end configuration with the testing part. So hope you have understood all the concepts what I have explained you. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the chat box. Or sorry, you can comment in the comment box. So I will reply you as per your issues. So thank you. Still, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I'll upload my new videos. Okay, thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.